I was rich. A four-leaf clover. Maybe it'll bring me good luck.
Top of the morning to you, me boy.
Who are you?
A leprechaun woodpecker, and me name is O'Toole.
What's a leprechaun?
A leprechaun's a mythical gnome-like elf from the sod of old Ireland itself. Oh, I'm a leprechaun, tried and true, and for your edification, I'll defy gravitation and show you a trick or two. I can become small as a flea or grow as tall as a tree. And like a chameleon, I have a knack of turning pink or blue or black. And if 'tis necessary to do, I can change into two or more, if 'tis called for. I can make me debut as a kangaroo. Or what have you. Now, I paid you this visit to say that I'll grant you 3 wishes today.
3 wishes? Oh, boy. I wish I was rich. Filthy rich. I want gold, gold, gold.
That will be wish number 1, me boy. We'll find your gold at the end of the rainbow.
Gold, gold. I'm rich. Filthy rich. Yippee! First, I'm going to buy a solid gold telephone pole.
So, robbing a bank, eh? Well, you'll be getting 20 years for this.
But it wasn't my fault. It was a leprechaun.
A leprechaun? Huh, now I've heard everything. For your information, there's no such a thing.
Oh, no? Now scram, me boy, and take your gold with you.
Come here, you. Attacking an officer, eh? Well, I'll fix you. Hey, Sarge, send the wagon. I caught a bank robber. He was ready to blow. Halt, or I'll shoot you. Oh, the old shell game, eh? Well, I'm an expert at that. Now, me bucko, I've got you. Stop! In the name of the law! Here's one bank robber who won't get away.
But I tell you, it was a leprechaun. He made me do it.
What'll they think of next?
I wish I was out of this mess. Get me home, will you?
Sure, Matusha, and that'll be wish number 2. Now, me boy, I hope it's clear to you that nothing's what you get when nothing's what you do. So thank me, friend, and now repent. A wish is not what pays the rent. Oh, I'm a leprechaun, tried and true, and I'll be taking my leave of you.
Just a minute, you Ganomi. I've got one more wish coming.
Oh, so you have. Well, out with it, boy.
Go to blazes!
Welcome back home, O'Toole. So you wore out your welcome up there again.